Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create a client proposal tracker in Airtable, your 2025 guide to staying organized and efficient. First off, let's log into Airtable and create a new base. This will serve as the home for your client proposal tracker. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated location for all your client proposal data, making it easier to manage and track. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and set up the primary field. This field is typically labeled as proposal name. This helps us because it provides a unique identifier for each proposal, making it easy to find and track its progress. Next up, we're going to add some more fields. Click on the plus add field button and start adding fields like client name, proposal date, status, and notes. These fields give you the capacity to record crucial details about each proposal. Remember, the key to a successful tracker is having all the vital information at a glance. Now, let me explain why this matters. When you have a clear and comprehensive view of your proposals, you can make better informed decisions and prioritize your work effectively. It's all about staying organized and on top of your game. With those fields set, it's time to set up some views. Views in Airtable allow you to slice and dice your data in ways that make the most sense to you. For our client proposal tracker, let's set up a grid view for a comprehensive overview, a Kanban view to track the progress of each proposal, and a calendar view to visualize proposal dates. The reason we do this is to give us different perspectives on our data. Each view can provide unique insights and help you manage your proposals more effectively. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. You're essentially creating a dynamic, visual database that you can manipulate and interact with. It's not just about storing data, but about making that data work for you. Now that we've set up our client proposal tracker in Airtable, let's take a moment to review and test it. Add a few sample proposals and switch between the different views. This is an important step to ensure everything is set up correctly and working as expected. And there you have it, a fully functioning client proposal tracker in Airtable. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your workflow and keep you on top of your game. Remember, the secret lies in the details. So take your time setting up your tracker, and it will serve you well in the long run. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.